Hey, this is Ted Lamas with EIX, and we are here at AP Lazer. We're going to go check out and see what they have to offer at the show. Come check it out.
We are in the AP Lazer Las Vegas showroom today. I'm going to take you guys on a tour and show you some of the different models that we have. So AP Lazer has 5 different models. So depending on what you're wanting to do with an AP Lazer, there is a machine that's going to be in your budget and that's going to be able to accommodate the size of jobs that you want to run. The machine that we're going to have in our booth is our 2616 model. This is a lowrider. So this machine will give you a 26-inch by 16-inch engraving area. And then we also have a patented open architecture design, so you can fit really large items under there like wine barrels or something else that you might want to have at an event. With our machines, like I said, they're very versatile. So if you're making something small for an event like a personalized cake topper or laser cut invitations, you could do something like that on our smallest model. That's our 1812. It gives you an 18 by 12-inch engraving area. Still has that patented open architecture design, so you can do those larger items that most lasers can't accommodate. And then also we've got our large model here in the showroom today. This is our 4836. It gives you a 48 by 36-inch engraving area. We still have that patented open architecture design underneath, so the Z table you see below pulls out. And this is really great for sign making, so if you want to have wedding signs or signs for corporate events, things that are personalized that really speak to the event that you're planning, this would be a great model for that. We are going to be running a lot of specials at the Event Expo on all of our machines. We'll have the 2616 with us, but if you think of a machine that might fit your needs a little bit better, we do invite you to come into the showroom and we'd be able to give you a personalized demo. Once again, my name's Kelly Ursoy with AP Lazer, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you all at the Event Industry Expo.